Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix Temu app not working. So let's get started. So the first solution you can try is checking your internet connection, as most of the time any app issue is caused due to the delay in your network. So you can try switching from your Wi-Fi to your mobile data or vice versa. You can also try updating your app. So go into your Play Store or your App Store, go to the search section and make sure to search for Temu. And now here, if you see an option for update, make sure to tap on it to update your application. You can also try clearing your cache data. To do that, go into settings. Once over here, go into apps and now click on see all apps. Now over here, scroll down until you find Temu and tap on it. Once under Temu settings, make sure to click on storage, and here you'll see the option for clearing cache. Tap on it and now the cache files will be cleared. So open the app and see if it works. This option is not available on iOS, so you can try reinstalling your app once you delete it. You can also try restarting your device. So turn off your device completely, wait a few seconds or turn it back on and see if Temu works. Now you can also check for server outages, as the Temu servers can also be down sometimes. You can check this by going into the Temu website or by checking other social media platforms. You can also try reinstalling your app. Most of the time reinstalling your app fixes any error files. So once you reinstall, go back into the app and log into your account and your issue will be fixed. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.